On this tour, we will be walking around the Estrella North Lake. During the walk, I will provide some history and details of the area and will be inserting photos from previous walks and hikes. To keep this video relatively short, I have sped up the walk 6 times in most sections. The Estrella community is located in Goodyear, Arizona, which is in the southwestern part of the Phoenix metropolitan area in Arizona. My family has lived in this community for around 20 years. Since moving here from the East Coast, the community and the surrounding areas have grown tremendously. Here's some history of the area. The Sierra Estrella Mountains were historically inhabited by Native American tribes, including the Hohokam people. They were known for their advanced irrigation systems and agricultural practices. The name Estrella means star in Spanish. The mountains were named by Spanish explorers who traveled through the region in the 16th century. Estrella is situated in the foothills of the Sierra Estrella Mountains, offering scenic views in a desert landscape. It's part of the Phoenix metropolitan area, providing easy access to urban amenities while maintaining a suburban feel. Amenities include the North Lake and South Lake, which offer opportunities for boating, fishing, and lakeside activities. The Golf Club of Estrella is a notable course designed by Jack Nicklaus II. There are over 50 miles of hiking and biking trails, parks, and open spaces. The Blackjack Trail is one of my favorite, yet one of the most challenging trails in the community. There are 2 residence clubs, the Star Point Residence Club and Presidio Residence Club. They both offer fitness facilities, swimming pools, and dining venues. The concrete columns shown here are referred to as Stonehenge. They block large debris from flowing down the Corget Wash. In my 20 years in the neighborhood, I have only seen significant water flow here a few times. Here are some photos of the lake. The building on the left is called the Yacht Club. While there are no yachts here, it does offer residents access to kayaks, sail and paddle boats. The building ahead is the Star Point Residence Club. It offers a gym, lap and family pool with a water slide. The Residence Club also has a great restaurant called Lakeside Grill with tasty food and drinks. The restaurant is open to the public. Thanks for joining me on my walk today. If you would like to join me on future walks, please like the video and subscribe.